Got an eviction on your record and feeling stuck? Don't worry, today we're showing you how to clear it and start fresh. Step 1. Check for an eviction record. Before you get things started, you need to check that you actually have an eviction on your record. Contact the court where the eviction took place or check with tenant screening services and credit agencies to confirm. Step 2. If wrongfully evicted, take action. If you believe the eviction was unjust, it's time to fight back. Gather your evidence, emails, documents, anything that shows you were wronged. Taking it to court could be your ticket to getting that eviction removed. Step 3. Pay or settle rental debts. After you take action, pay or settle any outstanding rental debts. Even a partial payment or settlement can help show future landlords you're responsible. Step 5. Remove collections for your credit report. Contact the collection agency, settle the debt, and request they remove the collection from your report. It's worth the effort. Step 5. Update tenant screening. Don't forget to request to have the eviction removed from tenant screening reports. Provide evidence and follow up to ensure it's removed. And finally, Step 6. Dispute any credit errors. If you find errors on your credit report or tenant screening records, dispute them. Gather your documentation, contact the agencies, and stay persistent. Getting an eviction off your record isn't easy, but it's definitely doable. Follow these steps, stay determined, and soon enough, you'll have that clean slate you're aiming for. And if you need extra help with your credit, Dovely is an all-in-one credit engine that monitors, rebuilds, and protects your credit effortlessly. Whether you're maintaining a high score or aiming for improvement, Dovely's got you covered. Visit dovely.com to get enrolled and start bettering your financial health today.